Hi, I'm John, founder of Charred Industries. What is Charred Industries? We use fire to create beautiful wood finishes for use on exterior and interior applications. Now in Japan, they call this process Shou Sugi, but around here, we do things a little differently. We start by hand selecting only the finest woods. Yep, this is the one. Our wood is locally sourced from right here in our own backyard. And now it's time to take this log and turn it into the tongue and groove pattern you all know and love. And for that, we call on our milling department. Good job, boys. It looks amazing. This piece is ready to burn. I don't know how they do in Japan, but around here, we like to slow roast our wood to perfection. And now, for the last and most important step, we use high-performance waterborne stains and sealers that stand the test of time in our Canadian climate. Each piece undergoes a quality control test. Yep, this piece is ready. It's a beauty, eh?